I'm making a mosaic crocheted blanket for my granddaughter who will be graduating from high school next year. I want to make each of my grandkids either a blanket or a quilt, hopefully quilts because they're easier, but she wanted a blanket. She thought it would be cooler, and she gave me an idea of the color she wanted. However, I am not sure about what I've got here, and my idea is to take, as I change colors, to take the background color of the previous one and make it into the design color of the next color background, and that way it'll seem cohesive. But if I make a little bit of this and it doesn't look good, I'll end up ripping it out and figuring something else out. I'll just go with something a little more, I don't know how it's going to work. What do you think? What do you think will happen with this? We'll see. It's gonna be multicolored for sure.